You have an email to write, a document to summarize, and a spreadsheet to understand. Then you see three options: ChatGPT, Gemini, and Copilot. Which one should you open? Quick prediction. Do you think one tool is best for everything? Hold that thought, because by the end of this lesson, you will have a simple way to choose without memorizing a long feature list. Here is the shortcut: choose the ecosystem first and compare the output second. If your work already lives in Google Workspace, Gemini may reduce extra steps. If you spend your day inside Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, or Teams, Microsoft Copilot may fit naturally. If you want a flexible general purpose workspace for writing, research, files, and data analysis, ChatGPT is a strong starting point. The word may is important. Features depend on your account, plan, and administrator settings. Let us start with ChatGPT. Think of it as a flexible AI workbench. You can draft and rewrite text, upload documents or spreadsheets, analyze data, create charts, and search the web when current information is needed. Projects can keep related chats, files, and instructions together. This makes ChatGPT useful when your task crosses different formats or does not belong to one office suite. For example, summarize meeting notes, turn them into an email, then create a small action tracker. Still, always check the answer and verify important facts. Gemini becomes especially interesting when your work is already in Google. With the right account and settings, Gemini can connect with services such as Gmail, Drive, Docs, and Calendar. That can reduce copying and downloading. You might ask it to find a document in Drive, summarize it, and help organize the next steps. But access varies by account type, workspace edition, administrator settings, and location. Gemini can also make mistakes or surface an older item, so review the cited source before acting. Microsoft Copilot is strongest as a workflow choice when your work lives in Microsoft 365. Depending on your subscription and license, Copilot can work alongside Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. That is useful when you want help inside the application where the work is already happening. Rewrite a document in Word, explore data in Excel, improve a presentation, or summarize an email thread. Licensing matters here. If a feature is missing, first check the account and Copilot license instead of assuming the tool cannot do it. Now let us give all three tools the same fictional task. These meeting notes say, launch the training portal on 15th September. Maya prepares the frequently asked questions by Friday. Arjun tests the login. The budget is approved. And the support email still undecided. Our prompt asks for a 3-line summary, decisions and action items with owners and due dates. We also say, do not invent missing details. Before seeing any response, what would you judge? I would check accuracy, structure, missing information, and how much editing the draft needs. The answers may use different wording, but the evaluation stays the same. Did the tool preserve the launch date? Did it separate the approved budget from the unresolved support email? Did it keep the real owners and avoid inventing a due date for Arjun? A beautiful answer with one invented detail is still a weak office result. Do not choose a tool because one sample sounded impressive. Choose the workflow that saves steps, then judge every output using the same checklist. Your turn. Which tool would you try first in each situation? 1. Summarize a document stored in Google Drive. 2. Analyze an Excel workbook that your team maintains in Microsoft 365. 3. Combine a PDF, a spreadsheet, and fresh web research into one draft. Pause for 15 seconds and decide. Here is a sensible starting answer. For the Drive document, try Gemini if your workspace connection is available. For the Microsoft 365 workbook, try Copilot in Excel if your license supports it. For the mixed files and web research, ChatGPT is a practical starting point. These are starting choices, not permanent rules. Your organization may approve only one platform, and privacy or compliance policies always come first. So the winner is not a logo. The winner is the tool that fits your ecosystem, handles the task well, and is approved for the information you are using. Remember, ecosystem first, task second, output check every time. Tell me in the comments which workspace you use most. Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, both or neither. Comment only the workspace name, not company details. In the next lesson, we will learn how to summarize a long document without losing the important points.